What's the matter? What's the matter? Maybe she needs a kiss. Oh, she mad.
Oh, you're so red. You're so Irish.
Yeah.
There's no German. Give her a kissy.
Oh, see, now she's better.
And she's better if we sing a song, but I'm not going to sing it in front of the kids. This is called Like a Virgin.
Oh, did you get it all out now? Get all the yuckies out.
Like a touch for the very first time. Like a
Corbin's like, who's that? Who's making that noise? Look at Corbin.
You know what?
He's like, who is
you
that?
guys are going to come over. We're going to host a game night.
Look at Corbin.
And you guys
He's like,
can
what's
come
wrong with
over
her?
and play Wii to your heart's content.
Corbin's gonna get her.
It's not tonight, but I'm gonna get a hold of your mommy and then you guys can come over.
What's she doing,
play.
Corbin? Uh-oh.
Oh! Almost bud.
What's she doing? Is she crying? Oh, are you checking her out? That's your Mi Mejor Prima.
Look at those eyelashes.
You guys are going to be best buddies, and you're going to go get in trouble together, like me and your
And maybe have
Aunt Amy.
at Christmas and at weddings.
Yeah. You like her. She's not so fond of you, but you'll grow on her.